The first thing I started writing was my memoirs, and it turned out I wound up just kind of writing out jobs I had and collection of my dad's pictures and special friends and influential acquaintances and pivotal moments and what else? Story topics and screenplay topics. And anyway, I guess I'm a writer. And then I decided to write up about all the cars and trucks that I had and the story behind them. I don't think this will be to sell like the screenplay, but this is just to throw into the collection of Pierce memorabilia. My dad wrote a variety of different books, and I saved stuff from my grandfather. This is my dad's book on doing all these different games that you can play on a pool table, and he was early on with those emojis. Nobody ever played his games except me and my cousin once. They were so technical, and nobody wanted to publish it, but he did them anyway. And I guess that's where I get it from. In fact, in a lot of ways, I'm very much like him. And he wasn't perfect, I'll tell you that. And then I even did, these are just stories about places that I've been, like these are an encounter in a bar, and pretty crazy. But sometimes when I had a crazy experience, I would just go down and write notes about it. And then this area these are other different stories or screenplays I could do. And some of them I thought my friends would help me on, like this Squaw Valley ad building screenplay. I got into it, but then my friends weren't interested in contributing, so I just put that on the back burner. And I put my story on the back burner, and now I'm just focusing on writing the Yellowstone screenplay until I decide to go back to work somewhere.